I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite pieces for transitioning from the winter into the springtime. All of these pieces are clothing that is perfect for when you're feeling comfy, but you want to, you know, step out and be cute. So these are just some of my favorites that I've been styling recently. And drum roll, these are all pieces from my boutique. I recently did a new collection launch called the Comfy But Cute collection. Curated these pieces with the idea in mind of like whenever I'm trying to get ready to step out and it's like, what do I wear? And I'm like, something comfy but something cute. So all these pieces are things that you can dress up or dress down. The first thing that I want to show you guys are these cool pants. I am obsessed with these pants. Here I'm going to show you guys a picture that I actually posted on my Instagram when I first featured these pants. I dressed it down with a nice casual graphic tee, and then I, was wearing a nice little, cute little mule, cute little, heel moment, kitten heel moment to kind of, give me some height because, I am short, so these pants are pretty long, so they are, tall girl friendly. So I added a little mule to kind of dress it up just a tad bit. I had the graphic tee and then a nice pop of color bag. This bag is also available on my Amazon storefront if that's something you're interested in. So also, before I even move on, I just want to mention I'm obsessed with the quality of all of these pieces. I'm really impressed with the quality, but these pants in particular, they are very, very thick. Like these are like, it's like a thick sweater. You can do a whole lot with it. You can make it like low key with a graphic tee, or you can, dress it up wearing a top like this. I'm gonna show you guys. You guys sold out of these. You guys sold out of this set, and thank you guys so much. I wasn't expecting that. Going into this launch, I kind of had predictions of like which was gonna sell the most, and I honestly was not expecting this two-piece set to sell that much. I thought this was gonna be like the least purchased item just because it is, very basic, and I feel like, I don't know why. I just thought, oh, a black two-piece set. I personally love it because I love stuff like this where I can literally go out and run errands, and then it's like, oh, hey, want to go out? And like, bam, I could go, add a cute pair of heels and like a nice bag, nice accessories, and like step out in. So I absolutely love this, but for some reason I wasn't thinking like many people were gonna like it as much. It's this two-piece set right here. I absolutely love this, and my sister was a little upset because she was wanting this set, and before I could even send it to her, you guys snatched up every size. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. But I will let you know if I end up restocking this. But it's a two-piece set here, so it has a nice long sleeve zip up like cropped style jacket, and it looks like this. I actually just washed this, so I just took it off the dryer, but it looks like this. It zips up, cropped, and then the sleeves have this cute little thumb hole moment. Okay, so I really like this, and then it comes with a pair of high-waisted black leggings. Now, when I tell you this is the perfect set because it just kind of snatches you in and gives you that nice like hourglass figure. It accentuates your curves, and it just is so cute. I am literally obsessed. This is the perfect running errands set. Like, I feel so comfortable in this. I actually even wore this to the gym. I wore this top to the gym, and it was like so comfortable to work out in. Very comfy. Now you could, unzip the jacket for a nice little, cleavage moment, or you can zip it up for like a nice high neck, like model off-duty look. It's completely up to you. Now, the way I would style this, I'm gonna insert a picture here of how I would dress it down. When I wore this out and I was wearing it like a more casual vibe, I threw on a nice chunky pair of white socks and then a cute pair of chunky Air Max like dad sneakers. And then I wore a cute little Balenciaga crossbody bag. As far as dressing it up, you could add a pair of heels, add a pair of booties, and a nice bag, accessories, and wear, you know, the set out. Or what I did is I love wearing this long sleeve shirt separately. I just love the vibe it gives. So in the picture that I'm going to show here, I wore this as a long sleeve top. I unzipped it a little bit, and then I wore a nice little like diamond necklace, and then I wore some long wide leg light wash pants that were high-waisted. My mules that I always wear, shout out to Amazon, they're so comfy and they go with everything. I need to go ahead and retire those because I'm playing those out. And then I wore the same Balenciaga crossbody bag, and I did like my hair in like a nice little side swoop. I just love how the overall look came together, and that's exactly how you could dress this up. Obviously you can wear these leggings plain. I mean, you can't go wrong with a nice pair of good quality black legging. So yeah, you could do so much with these pieces, and I thought this was the perfect piece to the Comfy But Cute collection. All right, so last but not least, I wanted to show you guys the last piece of my Comfy But Cute collection on my boutique. It is this nice little gray ribbed knit romper. It looks like this. And when I tell you, you just, this is just an absolute necessity in your closet. Wire detailing here, and it just is like a nice, like essential wardrobe piece. I was stepping out and I wanted to wear a casual look. The way I would do this is I would wear an oversized shacket. All right, so I had to run and grab the pieces because sometimes I'm bad at explaining things and I don't have a picture that I could insert. I mean, I kind of do. I actually did a look like this with another romper. I actually got that one from Zara, but you could also do the same idea with this one here. So I would wear this, and then over it I would wear a shacket or a flannel. So I have this one here that I actually stole from my sister a long time ago. But I love the colors, very nice and neutral. And if you look really close, there's like blue and peach. I absolutely love this right here. So I would wear that together, and then to dress it down, I would throw on a pair of Dunks. And as you see, I'm kind of bringing out that blue that's in here, very subtle, with this these pair of Dunks right here. And to dress it up, I'm gonna insert a picture here. The way I styled it was with a blazer, a nice blue blazer, and then I paired it with my Emilio Pucci news reporter, newsboy, newspaper, I forgot the exact term, but this cute little Emilio Pucci hat. And then I wore a cute little bag and some chunky boots. And these chunky boots are, I found them at Nordstrom Rack, and they are Jeffrey Campbell. They're super comfy, and I love the way they look with this outfit. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this sit down video of me sharing some of my new fashion favorites, all from my new collection for my boutique. I'm gonna have my boutique listed down below if you want to check it out. Like I said, I am sold out of the black two-piece set, so I'm sorry, but I will let you guys know if I am restocking it. I do have a few pieces, a few more of the pants and romper left. I think I have like 2 of each left. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you shopped 747, the new collection launch, thank you guys so much. You should be receiving your orders very soon. Thank you guys so much for your support. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.